Hello, my little angels. Let's now begin with the chapter number 12. And in this chapter, we are going to learn pronunciation. So, what are we going to learn? Let's first of all know how to pronounce it. We call it pronunciation. Pronunciation. And what is pronunciation? It means I should know how to pronounce the words correctly, how I have to utter the words so that my pronunciation, the way I speak the words, that should not be incorrect. In every language that you want to speak, whether it's English, Hindi, German, Latin, French, any language we talk about, we have a right way to pronounce or utter words. So I want you to make sure that you pronounce and utter all the words correctly, and for this we have to get started with our chapter based on pronunciation. The first sound that we are going to learn today is the sound of ah. It's a very simple sound, ah. It's the same sound that when you go to a doctor, the doctor, if he wants to check your throat, what the doctor would say, ah, and then you show your throat to the doctor, right? So that's called ah. And the words we have from the are given here in your workbooks. So let's get started with the first one. We call it garden. How do you say it? You call it garden. I went to a beautiful garden last Sunday. So garden, yeah. So this is how you have to understand the pronunciation, and think of another word which could have the same sound as ah. So I am sure you may be able to think of that word and write down that word here in the space provided. The next word we have is dart. So dart is a game that we play on the board. So you have to make sure that there is a dart and your arrow goes on that dart. That's called the dart. So how do you say the word? It's called dart. The next is larder. Larder. So how do you say the word? It's called larder. You know, larder is basically a room in an ant's house, and in that room, larder, the ant, it stores the food. So that's called larder. The next is party. Another simple easy word. I know you know the meaning of the word party. And the last one is card. We all use playing cards, so that's called card. Now think of 5 more words which has the same sound. Write those words here, and once you have 10 words, I want you to record these words in your own voice in the web application. This is how we have finished the chapter number 12 based on pronunciation.